Specialized topics. Pathways 3. Private Wealth. Private Wealth Management Industry. The CFA Level 3 Private Wealth Pathway begins with a comprehensive overview of the private wealth management industry and the evolving needs of affluent individuals and families. Candidates study the business models used by wealth management firms, including private banks, multifamily offices, boutique advisory firms, and integrated financial institutions. The curriculum examines fee structures, advisor compensation systems, and the role of external specialists such as lawyers, accountants, tax advisors, and trust professionals in supporting client objectives. Regulatory and compliance frameworks are also emphasized because wealthy clients often operate across multiple jurisdictions and legal systems. Candidates learn how private wealth managers combine investment expertise, relationship management, and strategic planning to provide highly customized solutions for preserving and growing long-term family wealth. Working with the wealthy. A major focus of the pathway involves understanding the behavioral, emotional, and interpersonal dimensions of working with wealthy clients and multigenerational families. Candidates explore how family dynamics, values, personal experiences, and human capital influence financial decision-making and investment preferences. The curriculum emphasizes communication skills, client profiling, education techniques, and relationship-building capabilities necessary to serve high-net-worth and ultra-high-net-worth individuals effectively. Wealth advisors must understand the unique concerns of wealthy families, including succession planning, family governance, privacy, philanthropy, and legacy preservation. Candidates also study approaches for developing shared family decision-making frameworks that encourage long-term alignment among family members while reducing conflicts over wealth transfer, investment objectives, and financial responsibilities across generations. Wealth planning and financial goals. Wealth planning within the private wealth pathway centers on constructing comprehensive goals-based financial plans tailored to individual and family objectives across different life stages. Candidates learn to recommend strategies for managing retirement planning, liquidity requirements, taxation, and long-term financial exposures in an integrated manner. The curriculum highlights how taxes, inflation, spending needs, and life expectancy influence holistic financial planning decisions. Candidates are expected to evaluate and justify appropriate liquidity strategies that support lifestyle requirements while maintaining portfolio sustainability and flexibility. Emphasis is also placed on balancing human capital, financial capital, and economic net worth throughout an individual's lifetime. Through scenario analysis and client-specific planning, advisors develop practical frameworks that align wealth management solutions with long-term financial security and multigenerational objectives. Investment planning and portfolio management. Investment planning in the private wealth pathway focuses on designing and managing portfolios that align with client-specific goals, tax circumstances, and risk tolerances. Candidates study portfolio allocation techniques across various asset classes while considering tax efficiency, liquidity needs, and jurisdictional constraints. The curriculum emphasizes retirement planning from legal, taxation, and investment perspectives, ensuring that portfolios support sustainable income generation and wealth preservation during retirement years. Candidates also evaluate portfolio performance reporting and review processes to determine whether investment programs remain aligned with client objectives over time. Considerable attention is given to integrating investment planning with broader wealth management considerations, including estate planning, charitable giving, and family governance. This integrated approach strengthens the advisor's ability to deliver comprehensive and personalized wealth management solutions. Preserving and advising wealth. Preserving wealth requires effective management of financial, human capital, inflation, and currency-related risks that can erode purchasing power and long-term financial stability. Candidates learn strategies for mitigating risks associated with human capital disruptions, inflationary pressures, and exchange rate volatility. The curriculum also explores advisory approaches for entrepreneurs, executives, professionals, and globally mobile families whose financial situations involve complex legal, tax, and residency considerations. Candidates study citizenship and residency planning, cross-border wealth structures, and tailored strategies that maximize financial and economic net worth under varying personal and business circumstances. Advisors are expected to understand how business ownership, concentrated wealth, and career-related risks affect portfolio construction and financial planning decisions. These topics reinforce the importance of holistic and highly customized advisory services in private wealth management. Transferring wealth across generations. The final component of the private wealth pathway addresses the efficient transfer and preservation of wealth across generations through gifting, inheritance planning, and philanthropy. Candidates analyze strategies for transferring wealth during a client's lifetime as well as at death, while minimizing tax burdens and preserving family objectives. The curriculum emphasizes estate planning structures, charitable giving vehicles, trusts, and inheritance frameworks designed to sustain family wealth over multiple generations. Advisors must also consider emotional, behavioral, and governance issues that often accompany wealth transfer decisions within families. Philanthropic planning is explored as both a financial and legacy-building tool that aligns wealth with family values and long-term societal impact. Overall, the pathway prepares candidates to manage the full life cycle of wealth creation, preservation, and intergenerational transfer.